Hey folks, I know Interlink Labs ITLG Airdrop is already rolling, but after diving into this Web3 AI gem backed by Google for Startups and AWS, I'm convinced it's too rewarding to skip before the quarter 3 converts to ITLG tokens. One of the beautiful things about this airdrop is that their bond mechanism touches unclaimed ITLG tokens every 4-hour cycle, right? Keeping the supply tight and boosting active miners. So if you're an active miner, you can still catch up with those that have been mining this for long, people that just depend on referrals and not actively participating. Plus, it also helps alert the system that you are a real human and not a robot. Now, if you want to participate in this, then stay with me to the very end of this video. Let me show you how to set up your account so you can start mining your share today. So to download this app right now, you can follow the link in the description or in the pinned comment of this very video. Right now, if you click on that link, it's going to lead you to your browser and you're going to arrive at a page that looks exactly like this. Okay, now you're going to see a code, which is this very code right here. This is someone else's code, which I'm using currently, but you're going to see my code. What you want to do right now is to copy that very code because you're going to be needing it later in the video. But if you scroll up right now, you can see a glimpse of what this website holds and what they are planning for the future. So as you can see right here, they said, powered by proof of personhood, Interlink aims to bring 1 billion real people on chain, building the world's largest and most authentic human network. So these guys are trying to build something big. Okay, this is powered by AI and Web3. Okay, so this is their main website. So if you want to download this very app right now, of course what you want to do is to either click get it on Play Store or App Store, that is if you're using an Apple device, or you can just go with the APK version, which you can see right here. But I'm just going to go with the Play Store version. I'm going to click on this and this is automatically going to lead us to Play Store. So this is their Play Store app right now, and of course you install this. Another beautiful thing about Interlink Labs is that they have raised $20 million from fundings, right? Fundings like Google and AWS and so many others out there, right? So once you're done downloading this very app, you have to click on enable and then open this up. Right, just click on open and this is going to redirect you to the app. Of course you should see this in your app section, but we're just going to follow this open route right now. All right, so I'm going to allow Interlink to send me notifications, and of course you can see get to try the app now. So we're going to say get started now, and of course we click on sign up because we're doing this for the first time. Now this is a dice right here. You can just click on this dice right now and it will generate an automatic ID for you. As you can see, sign up with Interlink ID and your passcode first. So we can just click on this right now and this will generate an ID for me. Now if you don't like this, you can just click on cancel and click the dice again and another ID will be generated for you. Now if you're satisfied with this very Interlink ID, you can just go ahead and click on continue, right? And now you'll be asked to enter your code. Now this code is not the code that was given to you. The code that was just given to you right now is your account ID code, but the code you are meant to enter right now is your passcode, which is like your password, okay, which is unique to you. Once you've done that, then you go ahead and click on continue. Then you enter the passcode again just for the system to be sure that you are correct. And then you can see this is automatically verifying, and once this is verified, we can go ahead right now and click on verify you're human by ticking this very box right here. And you can see say success. So we're going to continue with ID registration right now, and these are 3 steps to signing up for this currently. The first step is signing up with your Gmail, the second is signing up with Facebook, the third is signing up with Telegram. So I would advise you sign up with your Gmail, right? So I'm just going to click on Gmail right here because that will be easy to recover. Now it's going to ask you to select one of your emails if you have multiple emails, and I'm just going to pick one right now. This is going to load up and lead us to the next page. So it says success, log in with your new account. I'm going to click OK, and you can see this is my ID, of course. So I'm just going to click on login. The ID is already there for me, and then we're going to enter our passcode, but you can also authenticate fingerprint touch, but it's best you always use passcode, right? So you don't forget your passcode. So I'm just going to authenticate this, right, and then click on confirm passcode. So right now it says choose a login method. Select a method to verify your identity. Now whichever one you select, any message that will be sent to you would still arrive at your Gmail. So I'm just going to go with the top right here, and this is going to ask us to select that very email again. And yes, this is it. So you can see in ITLG mechanism update to keep Interlink fair and sustainable, we have updated ITLG mining system. So I'm just going to go ahead and screenshot this right now, and I'm going to click on I have got it. Now this is how the Interlink app looks like. For you to activate your account right now, what you have to do is to click on this profile section at the top right hand corner of your screen. Just click on that, and then you go ahead and click on referrals right here. Now the moment you click on referrals, you can see this is how the referral section works. But you click on cancel to cancel that, and then come to human hash, right? Once you come to human hash, you want to paste that very code you copied from the beginning of this very video. But if you somehow lost that code or you're not really sure, check the link I dropped in the description of this video or in the pinned comment. You see a section that says code. Now copy that code you see right there and paste it in here. Okay, and once you paste in that very code, then you go ahead and click on submit. So I'm just going to paste in the code of the person that invited me and click submit, and this is it. So it says verify to get reward. Now you have to verify your identity. If you don't verify your identity, they're simply going to assume you're a bot, right? So what we're going to do right now is click on this recaptcha right here to take that, and once it says success, you can now click on verify now. Now this is going to use your phone camera to verify your human being. Of course, you have to verify your face, right? So we're going to say only this time. Let's say only this time. So to verify your identity, you just have to follow the arrow instruction by turning your head to the right, left, move your head up and down, and that's it. So I've tried this severally, but for some reason this is not working at the moment. But I would advise you to do this, because this is what will separate your account from both accounts, so that the system doesn't flag your account as a bot account. I know I'm saying this because a lot of people tend to create multiple accounts, and this is what projects like this look out for. So if you want to carry out this process again, click on verify now, and of course check that very captcha and click on next, and then follow the on-screen instruction. Make sure you are doing it in a well light environment so that you get the best light as possible. I would suggest doing this outside so that you'll be able to complete this verification easily. So most of the things that goes on this app literally happens in the profile section, right? Now if you want to manage your account, all you have to do is to click on the accounts management section. You'll be able to change your password and also change the language. You can also come over to the account section right here. Now this is where you see your email and your Interlink ID, which you're meant to give to people. Now this is mine, which you can see right here, and you're meant to click on referral, click on human hash, and paste in that very code right there to claim 1000 ITLG. Now how do you mine this very token? We're going to talk about that, and then we're going to come back and claim that very token, which is our referral reward. So to mine this very token right now, so what you want to do right now is to click on mine ITLG, and this very ad will pop up. So once you see this ad, just X out of it and you would arrive at this very page, and this is going to display a pop-up that talks about the burning history. Now this burning history is basically about Interlink Labs burning mechanism, which has a rule that states that if you miss the 4 hours of mining for 6 days consecutively, you lose a portion of what you've mined. So this is kind of a way to keep people mining, interacting, and engaging with this very project, which is something I'll call a welcome development, because it means that those who stay active get to even catch up with those who have referrals, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on OK, and then we're going to come over here and click on mine ITLG, and our mining would begin right now. So this white flash, this flash right here means that our mining ITLG is now successful. We're just going to click on done, and you scroll down right here and you get to see the mining in real time. So in 3 hours time, we are meant to check back in and collect our reward. So this is basically how the mining works. Okay, now if you scroll up right here, you're going to see the burning mechanism, the burning streak. This is where you get to see how many tokens have been burned, which is another way of encouraging users to stay active. Now what other things you need to know regarding the ITLG? Now if you come over to the home section, just go over to the market section, marketplace right here. Now this is where you get to see hot apps that are in partnership with Interlink Lab, right? Okay, that are currently collaborating with this very project. You also get to see social apps, AI apps, and other features. And if you go to the news section, of course this is like a news section for every type of crypto news. Now if you go to the globe icon right there, this is where you get to see the stats or data of Interlink Lab, right? You get to see the total number of those mining, total number of those who have verified the account, the daily active users and the weekly active users, and many more, right? Now let's go back to the home section. Let me quickly show you something which I promised to show you before. Now if you look right here, you see that we have claimed, or we've gotten 20 ITLG because we have activated our mining process. Now let's go back to the profile section right now and claim our 1000 ITLG token for using a code, right? Remember I told you that if you use a code, you get to claim some points, right? So if you click that right now, click on referral, click on human hash, and right here you see mine your ITLG. Just click on this button right now, and you can see right now you just claimed 1000 ITLG points. It is that simple. And I'm just going to click on close right now. And if you want to invite your friends, of course, the button is right here for you to invite your friends. Fail the KYC just like I did. Make sure you try it in the daytime, right? Make sure you do it in the daytime. Sometimes a dark environment can also affect, so make sure you step out and try the facial verification again. If you have any question regarding this very video, please leave it in the comment section. Feel free to do so. And if you did enjoy the video, I'd appreciate it if you leave a like also. Now, if you want to stay updated regarding Interlinks airdrop, then I would suggest you subscribe and turn on the notification for future updates. Until I come here next time, I'm your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.